The government of Uganda has made provision for such companies. The first advice that we would give such companies is to please register with the National Supplier Database. This is a database through which all local goods and services can register and therefore express their interest in participating in the oil and gas sector. It allows for a situation where oil companies who are coming into Uganda can start to look and understand the availability of goods and services in Uganda. This supplier database is hosted by our sister institution, the Petroleum Authority of Uganda, and is alongside another database called the National Oil and Gas Talent Register, also hosted by the Petroleum Authority of Uganda. Through these databases, it is important for Ugandans to make themselves available and to register their interest in participating in the oil and gas sector. We are talking about a $15 billion investment in Uganda. And if we expect about 35 to 40% of this remaining local goods and services, that is a lot of money. And so this is an opportunity for local companies to establish themselves and grow the services that they are providing. We also know that within this industry, through the policies of government and the oil and gas companies, there is a significant amount of training and development, both in the skilled sector and in the semi-skilled and basic sector. We believe these skills will be transferable to other sectors of Uganda, from agriculture to engineering, transportation, and all other sectors of Uganda. So we expect that this investment is going to result in significant growth, both in the GDP of Uganda and also in the job creation of Uganda and the skill set of Uganda.